Good morning, class. I hope you all are safe and fit. In today's video, we will take a look at classification of animals. There is a large number of animals in the world, so many that is impossible to list them all. However, there are a few methods to classify them. This chapter provides some means to do the same. Animals are multicellular, that is, organisms with multiple cells which grow to a particular shape. Usually, all animals, whether wild animals or pets, can move independently and without any support. They consume other living organisms for the food. That is, they are heterotrophic in nature. Most animals move from one place to another, mainly in search of food or shelter. Such a movement is called locomotion. They get their name from the Latin term animal. In biological term, the word animal means all categories which belong to the kingdom Animalia, which includes creatures which range from humans to insects. Classifying animals basically means dividing them into two main groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates have a backbone, while invertebrates are those which don't have a backbone. Based on their characteristics, the invertebrates are further divided into 8 phyla, that is 8 groups. First, porifera. They are called as the pore-bearing animals. They are mainly found in sea and even sometimes in the fresh water. The body is porous, that is, porifera bear many tiny holes to draw water into the body cavity and one large hole to pass it out. Porifera usually fixed to some object or to the bottom of a pond or the ocean. The common example include sponge. Second type of invertebrate is Cnidaria or Colentrata. They are commonly called as the hollow sac-like animals, mainly because they have a sac-like body with only one opening, that is, mouth. They are mainly aquatic in nature. Mouth is surrounded by the finger-like projection called the tentacles. Tentacles mainly help the Cnidaria organisms for catching food and also for swimming. The body is radially symmetrical. That is, the body can be divided into two identical halves along any plane. Some common examples of the Cnidaria or the Colentrata includes jellyfish, hydra, sea anemone. Third type of invertebrate is the platyhelminthes, which is commonly called as the flatworms. The body is thin and flattened, hence the name given as flatworms. They are mostly parasites. That is, they live in the bodies of other animals. Common examples of the flatworms includes tapeworm and liver fluke. The tapeworm occurs in the human intestine and may gain a length of about 6 meters. It looks like a ribbon with a small head-like part at the front. It absorbs the already digested food from the human intestine. Fourth group of invertebrate is nematoda or the roundworms. The body is rounded and unsegmented. They mostly live as a parasites, that is, in the body of animals including human beings. The common example of the roundworm in humans is Ascaris, that lives in the small intestine of humans. Commonly, it is in children who eat with unwashed hands or unwashed fruits and vegetables. Fifth group of invertebrate is Annelida, or commonly called as the segmented worms. The body is composed of rings or segments, hence the name given as the segmented worms. They have a soft, moist body wall through which they breathe. They have a special organs for the excretion of the waste substances called nephridia. Common examples are earthworm and leech. This is all about the invertebrate. Till now we have finished with the 5 groups of invertebrates. In the next video, let's learn about the other 3 groups and also about the vertebrates and its classification. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.